Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make group chat on Snapchat. What you need to do, first just go to Snapchat app and then just click down here on chat icon. After that just click here on this icon for it's look like paper and pencil, and now you see here new group. Just click the new group. Now just select who you want to add in this group. For example, now I select this one and okay, now for example I selected 2, and after that just click here create group. Now it's already create the group, and you can click here now name group. Just click here and now just give a name of the group. For example, I can type friends. After that click done. This is what you need to do if you want to make group chat on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.